Hi, I'm Adam DeSanctis. Welcome to MBANow. I'm here today with a familiar face, Dan Bailey of WFG. We're here to talk about home equity lending. Dan, it's great to have you on again.
Adam, it's great seeing you. Happy New Year. I know it's a little late, but it's the first time I'm seeing you this year, so good to see
Sometimes
you.
they say it's acceptable to say it in the first few months of the year if you haven't seen that person yet, so I
March is a
accept
little
that.
late, but hey, it's the first time I saw you this year, so we'll go
Yes,
with it, see how it works.
of course. Yeah, so WFG, in a recent MBA Newslink article, which was published earlier this week, outlines ways in which your company is helping lenders capture more home equity business, reducing origination costs, and expediting the origination process. What services do you provide for home equity lenders, and how are you helping them?
So we're a full service firm, right? We provide home equity lenders with anything they would need to originate and close that transaction. So, traditionally as a title insurance company, that starts with title products, right? What title products do our customers need? And that there's a great variety amongst home equity lenders. Some home equity lenders want a more comprehensive product. Others want a streamlined product like a legal investing product. Some just need a property profile product. Others want full title insurance. Others want a property report, and others want a wrapper insurance too, a wrapper coverage or warranted coverage. So we offer all of the title products, and then we complement that with sort of a la carte services, right? Some of our customers want us to look at the information report that we deliver, or the property report that we deliver, or the commitment, and perform curative work. Others want us to close the transaction. Others want us for recording only. Others want us for disbursement. So, we can provide anything that a lender would sees usable for us or that they would need, and we really customize our solutions based upon those needs. And that's everywhere from the title product, right? It's usually based upon their underwriting requirements and what their risk profile is, and then how they want to close their loans. Some want to do it in a branch location with their borrowers. Others are going to send a notary out. Others are going to do it, online. So we provide all of those services to our customers.
A little bit of something for everyone, you might say.
That's right. That's
Yep.
right. Hmm.
Yeah, so WFG has been providing home equity lending solutions since your company's founding in 2010.
Hmm.
What are some things you've learned along the way, and what are some key considerations lenders should keep in mind when selecting a home equity lending solution partner?
Well, I think a lot of it is about experience. That's like we like to state again and again that since our founding in 2010, WFG has been concentrated on home equity lending. Since I've been in this business since 2003, I've worked with home equity lenders, and we've learned a tremendous amount during that time frame. One is going back to the last question, right? What products and services? You have to have variety, and you have to have the ability to provide the products and services that your lenders need. So it's everything from the different title products to all the different closing solutions. It's not just like your cookie cutter refi, a little bit of differentiation in there. The other thing is you got to be cost effective, right? I mean, let's face it, the revenue profile for a home equity loan is a lot different than a revenue profile for a refinance transaction or any other transaction. So we have to make sure our products and services are priced appropriately that help our lenders realize the revenue gains that they want to make, without taking too much away. Flexibility in the service offerings that we have, understanding that no two lenders are alike. And then also flexibility, right? We got to be able to be flexible. Sometimes a lender might start out wanting one product and they change their mind or they need something else, and we have the ability to provide all those. So it's been very helpful for us. It's helped us throughout the course of the pandemic, right? A lot of lenders and a lot of companies said, hey, no more home equity lending. We continued. We had a fair amount of home equity loans throughout that period of time, much lower than they are today, much lower than they were previous to the pandemic. But that experience has allowed us to really hone our products, make sure that they provide all the data with quality, and help our lenders close loans without any post-closing issues or problems later on down the line.
And the demand for home equity lending will certainly only grow. Homeowners are sitting on record equity right now. And let's go back to that Newslink article. WFG will soon be releasing a rapid legal investing offering as part of its Decision Point Instant Title Solution Suite. Can you let us know what that is and how it will help lenders?
Sure. So our Decision Point Rapid Legal Investing product is a way for lenders to acquire a legal investing, but it's so it provides vesting, who owns the property basically, and then a full legal description, so they can originate and close their loans. We do provide services. Obviously, we have integrations with LOS systems and our lenders, and certainly those are available. However, sometimes those take some time, right? So what we've created now is an easy way for any lender of any size to log in, acquire a product, get the product within 30 minutes, as quick as within 30 minutes. Sometimes it may take a little bit longer, and then move on with our transaction. So it's a very simple way to acquire the property information that you need without having to go through, big long setup with a title company, or worries about how many you're going to order a month, or an integration. Log in, order the product, you get it, you're done, you move on, you're ready to go. So it makes it a little bit easier. It's fast, right? So we know speed is important these days. Quality is also a key. That's why I say within 30 minutes. We do have instant title solutions available, but there's an additional quality component with that rapid legal vesting that I think will eliminate any type of errors with a legal description that might be complex or anything like that. So easy, simple way for lenders to order of any size to come in, order the product, and to move on and close their transaction.
Yeah, speed and quality, I like that.
Mm-hmm.
In the past, Dan, we've had you on many times, as I mentioned at the beginning of this video.
Mm-hmm.
Can you talk a little bit about how WFG uses NPS scoring to measure customer satisfaction and really enhance service levels? What is it about that process?
Well, so and you're right. I mean, I probably explain this every time we're on a video call together, but it's just so important, right? I mean, we're at the end of the day, we're in the customer service industry, and we have to make sure that the lenders that we interact with and their borrowers are very happy with the services that we provide. What I like to say is, hey, it's great that I can deliver my title products in an hour and a half, but if I'm a jerk, no one wants to deal with me. So, years ago, we started implementing really watching our quality scores and our NPS scores. And everybody knows NPS is a simple question. Would you refer me to someone else or not? And if not, why? We ran an 88 through the first 2 months of the year. We were over 70, which is world-class according to NPS scoring. I won't get into the whole explanation there, but it's very important to us because it allows us to identify errors, reach out to people, close the loop when we have a problem, share that information with our lenders, and continuously get better at what we do. We're never satisfied, right? We're never satisfied with where we are today. If we are, we'd be out of business. We're always looking for ways to continue to improve. And certainly feedback from our lender partners and their borrowers is vital to continuing to improve on what we do every day.
To be successful in this business, you and I both know you need to grow and you need to learn from mistakes and seek new opportunities. Dan, as always, I've really enjoyed this conversation. Anything else you'd like to share with us before we close?
Just two things. First thing, we always talk about it as being part of the WFG National Title Insurance family. We're in this for the long haul. I know that there's some struggles right now in the industry with where volumes are and where the economy is, but we've been around for, I know it seems short, but 10, 12 years now, and we're built for the long haul. We have no institutional debt. We've got tons of claims reserves. We're ready to help and partner our customers. I'd love the opportunity to talk to anybody that listens to this video. If they have any questions, anything else that they want to know, they can always email us at about@wfgls.com. So that's it.
Thank you again, Dan. It's been a pleasure talking to you, and have a great day.
You do the same. Thanks, Adam. I appreciate it.